Today I'm going to tell you how you can delete messages on Facebook. Go to www.facebook.com in your browser. Click the messenger icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Click See All in Messenger. This link is in the bottom left corner of the drop-down menu. Find a conservation that contains messages which you want to delete. Then click the conservation. It's to the left of the message sent to you, or to the right of a message that you sent. Hover your mouse cursor over a message. This should be a message that you want to delete. Click 3 vertical dots. Click Remove. Click Remove when prompted. If you just want to delete an entire conversation, do the following. Select the conversation. Click the 3 vertical dots in the upper right side of the conversation. Click Delete Chat in the drop-down menu. Click Delete Chat when prompted. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.